Finding a needle in a haystack is one of those idioms that perfectly captures the feeling of searching for something nearly impossible to find. Imagine standing in a barn, surrounded by piles of hay, and knowing there's a tiny needle hidden somewhere within. The sheer size of the haystack compared to the needle makes the task seem daunting, if not hopeless. This idiom is often used to describe situations where the odds are stacked against you, like trying to locate a specific document in a chaotic office or searching for a lost item in a crowded place. The origins of this phrase date back to the 16th century. It's believed to have first appeared in print in a book by the English poet John Haywood in 1546. He used it to illustrate the difficulty of finding something small in a vast space. Over the centuries, it has evolved into a common expression in the English language, often used in both serious and humorous contexts. For example, let's say you're trying to find your car keys in a messy living room. You might say, "Looking for my keys in here feels like finding a needle in a haystack." It perfectly conveys your frustration and the overwhelming odds of locating those elusive keys. Another scenario could be a job search. Imagine applying for a position at a large company with hundreds of applicants. You might describe the process as like finding a needle in a haystack, emphasizing how difficult it is to stand out among so many candidates. In a more lighthearted context, consider a group of friends playing a game of hide and seek in a huge park. One might joke, "Finding Sarah in this park is like finding a needle in a haystack." This adds a playful twist to the idiom, highlighting the fun and challenge of the game. The idiom also resonates in the digital age. Picture trying to find a specific email in an overflowing inbox. You could say, "Searching for that email is like looking for a needle in a haystack." It captures the modern struggle of sifting through endless information to find that one important message. In essence, finding a needle in a haystack is more than just a phrase. It's a vivid metaphor for the challenges we face in our daily lives. Whether it's a lost item, a job application, or an important email, we all encounter moments where the odds seem insurmountable. This idiom reminds us of the persistence and creativity we often need to overcome such challenges, turning what seems impossible into a quest worth pursuing.